Hello there, I'm Dave Allen, I'm good and geeky, and today we're looking at the application called Craft. Even though lately I have been enthusing and singing the praises of Logseek, or Logsec as you might want to call it, I'm still very keen on Craft. Craft keeps improving and has recently added templates and Craft extensions called CraftX. Both of these make the application even easier to use and to get things done with your data. Let's first have a look at templates. There are a number of Craft templates built in, and we can see these by clicking on View Craft Templates. So these three at the top here are templates that I've made for myself. Underneath it there are templates which are for various bits and bobs like personal about me site, job offer, reading journal, gratitude journal, gift tracker, employee directory, and stuff to do with meetings like meeting notes and architecture proposals, stuff like that. If you want to click on one of these here, it will open up a new document and it'll use that template to create that document. And all you have to do is to fill in the details in this one here. So for this one here with the book read, I might actually put the title in this part here so you make it easier to find, because that'll be the title of the document as well as the title of the book that I've read. But I can also put the title in here, author, date, finish the book. I'll put it in there so that it comes up with today's date. And then I can give it a rating and a review. So that's one way of using the templates. Also, what you can do is, if you're in a document already, so let's go to all documents and I go to this one here, for instance, just any old document, okay. And then I want to put a template into that here. Do the / command, / template, and insert from template, and I can choose a template from there. So this one here might be wanting to do something about a TV series, so I'll click on that one there and just put in the template that I've created for myself, TV series I've been looking at. How do you make your own templates? Well, that's quite easy. So let's go back into here, and all you do is to drag it and drop it into your templates folder. So if I go to the templates folder now, you can see I've got a template in there called LiDAR apps. Another way to create a template as well is to, while you're in this folder, click on this one here, click on new document, put in whatever data you want to put in here, and then as soon as you've done that and finished it, you can go back to my templates and you've got your new template in there. And then again, you can use that wherever you want. If I want to edit a template that's already made, if I double click on that there, I can go into this one here and click on edit this template. And then I can add a template to a template. So again, I'm using the / command and insert from template, and I can put something in there from a template. So let's click on book read. Now I've got that LiDAR apps there, which has got this information here, which is from a template. So by using the / command to get to your templates, it's in some ways like using snippets. But there's a new thing in Craft app called CraftX, which is extensions. And one of the extensions that they've pre-built for us is one called Snippets. So let's have a look at the CraftX Snippets extension. These Craft extensions are new to Craft. They still describe them as being developer preview, but they work fine. They're extra features that you can install to work with other tools and enhance the functionality within your application. It's also possible to get open source extensions from GitHub. To get hold of these snippets, you need to go into the Craft web pages and check this out. So learn about CraftX, click on this one here. This takes us to the page where we get some Craft extensions. At the moment we've got this one here, we can bring information in called Hacker News. And let's do that one there. Click on it and go to this one here. Scroll down a wee bit and we're going to click on this here. So I'm going to download that to my downloads folder. So let's click on save and see what else we've got. So we've got some productivity and personal knowledge management stuff, and basically this is a way of moving stuff out of Craft into things, OmniFocus, Bear and Day One. This is all the same extension, and it's so let's click on that one there, called Send to Apps. There's not too many of them at the moment that's available, but it's a start anyway. Let's look at this one as well with publishing to Medium and to Ghost. We'll bring this one here, export to blog, and we'll download that one as well. Let's go to the Craft extensions now. Now, to be able to set this up in the first place, what you need to do is you need to go to your preferences. So in preferences in advanced, then you'll need to set this to enabled. When you've got that enabled, you're going to be able to have this tab over here, extensions. And as you can see, I've got some extensions in there already. I've got Craft Snippets, I've got Send to Apps, and I've got Craft Power Tools. And let's click on plus, and we're going to bring in those are the ones that we've got. So I need to go to the downloads folder where I've just brought those in there, and we're going to choose the first one of those, which is the export to blog CraftX. Click on open, and I'm going to install that and do the Hacker News one, and click on open, and I'm going to install that. Let's go to Craft Snippets. So in Craft Snippets, I've got 2 snippets saved already. One is the movie watch, which is the same as I've got in the template already. I can click on movie watched, and that's going to put in the snippet for the movie. Put the Good and Geeky in the spot where the cursor was. Okay, so let's have a look at the other extensions that we've got here, just while we're in here. In this one here, Craft Power Tools, we've got a few extra bits and bobs: find and replace, advanced selection, advanced actions. So if we go to this one here, we'll just see that we've got a few extra bits and bobs we can do, such as remove inline formatting, applying style, sort alphabetically, and so on, or put into reverse order. I haven't tried this one here, Hacker News. I've only just installed it, and we've got this send to apps. So for send to apps, I can click on this one here, and I can choose to send it to one of these applications. Obviously, you have to have these applications on your computer already. So I've got Day One and Ulysses, so I could send it to one of those two there. I've had a look inside this one here to see if it's possible to change the extension. It looks like it's been made with a React bit of programming, which is a JavaScript framework. So let's go back into this one here, and let's go back into our snippets to show you how that works there. So it's the Craft Snippets. Making a snippet is really easy, so I'm going to select those ones there and click on Save Selected, and that's made a new snippet for me there. So I've got this one here, and I click on Magic Plan, and there's my new snippet. Cool, or what? If I go to the bottom there, I can click on Movie Watch, and that'll put that at the bottom there. Anyway, so that's how to use templates and snippets, and also we've had a look at some of the other craft extensions that you can work with. And in another video, I'll show you what I did with the code that I found for making a button and having it insert some text into the document. I made it so that instead of having just one button, there was 2 buttons in there. It was a bit of fun. I used VS Code to do that, and it was just a bit of editing of some JavaScript in a HTML document. So this is Dave Allen. I'm Good and Geeky. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.